What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to fix your movement if it's bugged, part 2, because yeah, so sorry for it took so long. I was just busy with stuff. Anyway, let's get into the video. So first, what you want to do is, okay, so if you have a horror game, you have a jump scare and stuff like this, you want to unpack this completely and drag this all out. Drag it out. Okay, and then you want to delete Gorilla Rig. Yeah, delete Gorilla Rig. And then you want to go to Resources, Gorilla Prefab, and then drag in Gorilla Rig. And then you want to right click, Prefab, unpack completely. Drag this to the top. Delete that, add a XR origin. And then for that is, you want to drag in main camera. No, Gorilla Flare. And then main camera. Then this floor. And then you want to, of course, change this to hand tag. And yeah, it's easy. I had broken controller script and stuff, so I'm just gonna Control Z because I don't want to mess up my stuff. Right, if that's, oh wait, one more thing. You want to search your Photon VR Manager, and then for me it won't. It will say missing for you. So you want to drag in the main camera here, left hand controller here, and then right hand controller here. Okay. And then it should work. No, it should. I'm not 100% sure. It should though. If it doesn't, I will do part 3. Sorry for not editing, but I'm just tired. Yeah. So anyway, like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.